Hi guys, it's Colleen from Ride Pride Clothing. Hey, I've recently written an article on laundry care, how to correctly care for your new riding pants. I put it up on the website, I shared it to Facebook. Did you read it? I bet you didn't read it. I wouldn't have read it. May we never ever become so bored in life that we read articles on laundry care. Having said that, there's lots of information there and you've paid a lot of money for your riding pants, and it's important that you take care of them correctly so they last for you. So here's the lowdown. This is what's in the article and this is how I care for my riding pants. First of all, I machine wash them on a gentle wash. I use cold water. The icons will tell you to use a warm water. I don't do that. I'm not paying for hot water. Have you seen the size of my electricity bill? I'm not adding to it. I use a cold wash with whatever laundry detergent I've got in the laundry. Then I line dry. You can use a cool dryer. I don't, for the reasons I've just talked about. I line dry them in the shade, always in the shade. When I'm done, I either just pull them on and wear them with the creases, because my horses don't seem to care. Or if I'm going out, because I have an image to upkeep, I do something about the creases. And what I do is I don't iron. You can use a very low heat on your iron. I hate ironing. I use a steamer. I bought a steamer for about 45 bucks, I think it was, from Kmart. I use that. And I don't bother steaming anywhere else except from the knees down. The rest is pretty snug on me, so I just do from down there. That's it. Wash, gentle wash, cold water, line dry in the shade, use a steamer from the knees down. Don't bleach. Bleach will break down the fabric. Don't dry clean. You can dry clean. Don't dry clean. It's a waste of money. It's not necessary. And again, the chemicals aren't good. You want to avoid heat and chemicals. That's it, guys. Enjoy your rides. If you want to know more, read the article. See you later.